Wow, just look at this. This is a Dodge Nitro SXT diesel 4-wheel drive in absolutely amazing condition. Very comprehensive service history, recent MOT. Looks absolutely stunning in this colour. As you can see, it's got a lot of upgrades. Alloy wheels, absolutely lovely condition, and really strong treaded tyres. You can see all the chrome body styling that's absolutely gleaming as well. So we've got the proper carpet mats, got the load cover there as well. It's all in very good condition. Load covers there. So it's a Dodge SXT 4x4 CRD. Lovely inside. Electric windows, electric mirrors. This car's only covered 47,166 miles. It's got an upgraded Pioneer stereo, air conditioning, climate control, 2-wheel drive or 4-wheel drive lock, cruise control, the condition, I think, considering it's 14 years old, is amazing. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.